Imagine waking up one day and realizing that a machine can write better than you. It can answer your questions instantly. It can help you with your job. It can even think in ways that feel almost human. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now, and the company behind this revolution is OpenAI. Just a few years ago, almost nobody knew this company existed. Today, it is quietly reshaping how the entire world works. And the scariest part is, this is only the beginning. To understand how big this is, we need to go back just a few years. Before OpenAI became famous, artificial intelligence was honestly quite boring. Yes, it existed. Your phone could recognize faces. Netflix could recommend movies. Google could predict what you were typing, but none of this felt revolutionary. These systems weren't intelligent. They couldn't think, they couldn't create, they couldn't understand you. Artificial intelligence was just a tool, useful but limited. Most experts believed that truly intelligent AI was still decades away. Some even believed it might never happen, and then everything changed. In 2015, a small group of people came together with a crazy idea. They wanted to build artificial intelligence that could actually think and understand humans. One of those people was Elon Musk. Another was Sam Altman. At the time, nobody knew their company would change the world. They named it OpenAI. But here's the interesting part. They didn't release flashy products. They didn't run advertisements. They worked quietly, behind the scenes. For years, almost nobody paid attention to them. While the world was focused on social media apps and smartphones, OpenAI was building something much more powerful, a new kind of intelligence, one that could learn from humans, one that could understand language, one that could generate ideas, and eventually one that could create. Then in November 2022, OpenAI released something called ChatGPT. At first, it didn't seem like a big deal, just another chatbot. But people quickly realized this was different. You could ask it anything, and it would respond instantly. Not with robotic answers, but with intelligent, human-like responses. It could write essays, it could explain complex topics, it could help programmers write code, could even help people start businesses. Within just 5 days, over 1 million people were using it. 5 days. To put that into perspective, it took Netflix 3.5 years to reach 1 million users. It took Facebook 10 months. ChatGPT did it in 5 days. This was not normal. This was a signal that something massive had just begun. But here's what makes OpenAI truly powerful. It's not just ChatGPT, it's what ChatGPT represents. For the first time in human history, we created a machine that can understand and generate human language at scale. This changes everything. Businesses can automate work, students can learn faster, developers can build faster, companies can operate more efficiently. Entire industries are being transformed. Tasks that once took hours now take minutes. Tasks that once required teams now require software. OpenAI didn't just build a tool, they built a new layer of intelligence. A layer that is now becoming part of every life. And this is just the beginning. Artificial intelligence will continue to improve. It will become more powerful, more capable, more integrated into our lives. Some experts believe artificial intelligence will be the most important invention in human history. More important than the internet, more important than electricity, and OpenAI is at the center of it. This small company that almost nobody noticed a few years ago is now helping shape the future of humanity. The way we work, the way we learn, the way we create, everything is changing, and the truth is we are witnessing one of the biggest technological revolutions ever. The question is not whether artificial intelligence will change the world. It already has. The real question is, are we ready for what comes next?